Yeah? KFC and McDonald's drive-thru are open. Oh, I feel like having KFC now. Come on, let's go and grab loads of chickens.
1 hour later.
So upsetting. The KFC drive-thru is not even open. Picchiacoli. So this KFC chicken wings, I've made this in my house. And it's easy to make and it doesn't take long as well. So if you know what the ingredients are, you can do it without any problem. So come on and let's check the ingredients and see what's required to make KFC chicken wings. So first of all, we're going to get the marination ready for the chicken wings. We're going to add 1 to 2 tablespoons vinegar. And now we're going to add 1 to 2 tablespoons soy sauce. Now we're going to add 1 teaspoon black pepper, half a teaspoon crushed chilies, 1 teaspoon salt, and we're going to add some ketchup in there. We're also going to add garlic and ginger paste. And now we're going to give it a good mix. Mix it, keep mixing it, keep mixing it, keep mixing it. Now we're going to add the chicken in there. Give it a good mix. So this is done now. What we can do is we can put the chicken wings in the fridge for a couple of hours. So now we're gonna add the gram flour in there. Depends how much you want. The more you put in, the better it will be. So now we're gonna add the corn flour. Same again, depends how much you want it. All depends how much you want it. Now we're gonna add the chili powder in there. And we're gonna add 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. And now we're going to give it a good mix. Mix all the spices with the flour all together. And now we're going to take the chicken out. We're going to put it in the basin, gram flour. And we're going to give it a good solid mix. And once it's done, we're going to dip it in the water for a couple of seconds. Now we can take it out. And we're going to shift this again to the flour and give it another mix. And solid mix. Tap it on it. Make sure you give it a good tap at the same time. And we're going to do this, repeat this twice on all of them. And once it's done, we're going to lay this on a plate. And there you go. All the chicken wings has been marinated and they've been put basin on top of it and they're ready to fry. So now let's get into the kitchen and fry them.